Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to add an animated subscribe button to your video using Filmora. So let's get started. So the animated subscribe thing that I have is this. You can get this from YouTube. So all you need to do is once you added your main video to your timeline, you want to drag this video below the main video like this. Now click on the green screen video and click on green screen, the green screen icon. Now make parts of this video transparent and click on the green part. Now press OK, and now it'll be transparent and only the subscribe thing will be appearing. So it's really simple, and you can move it around like this. You can make it smaller, put it in the corner, and it'll play. So it's really simple, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.